Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I will show you how you can put this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, we're going to hold our power button. From there you want to simply select power off, and when the device turns off, hold the power key and volume up at the same time. When you see the Mi logo, you can let go of the power key, and then when you also see the recovery mode, let go of the volume up as well. Now once you are in this mode, you will need to use volume keys to navigate through the options, and the power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going into all of the options that we have right here, which isn't very many. We have reboot, which takes us back to Android, wipe data, which just does a factory reset of the device. Connect with Mi Assistant just connects to an application, and we can put the device into safe mode from here. So there we go. So I'm gonna stick with the first option, confirm it, reboot to system, and this will just simply take me back to Android. And there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.